So we are in the town of Banff, Alberta, and I'm going to use the washroom, the police washroom. It's very quiet right now, the city. Not much people with all these incidents of the COVID. So somehow it's good. So it's not too crowded because this city is very touristic. So we'll see what's going on later in the walk. Then we're gonna see some going to the mountains for a while to check some views and take a look in there, and then going back to see if we can make it to Lake Louise. So walking in the town of Banff is a town in the middle of the national park in a nature area. It's very small, but it's very cute, very nice town to walk around for a while. It's very good. And then we're heading to the mountains. We are in Snow Peak right now. It was 9 minutes from the town of Banff. The view is just stunning, it's amazing. We come in this way, driving. And there is still another coming, continue the way up. It's required to use winter tires if you start driving to coming up to the snow peak due to the weather conditions.